Hi, I'm Dr. McCrenner. GoBabyGo is a program developed at the University of Delaware that provides mobility solutions for disabled children with the goal of impacting their social development in a positive way. At Mercer University, this program is a collaboration amongst the School of Engineering Scholars Track of the University Honors Program, the Technical Communication Department, and the Tift School of Education. So we have the engineering students working on developing vehicles and modifying them to support children, the Technical Communication Department developing the technical management manuals to help support other people doing these builds, and the School of Education is doing the research on the impact of these mobility improvements on the social development of children. So the vehicle typically starts as a common 12-volt children's powered ride-on vehicle. We happen to be using this lovely Maserati for our builds currently, but almost any vehicle can be used for a build. It is important to take a look at a vehicle and see how suitable it is for the specific child. Typically, the disability we're trying to focus on is a child with lower leg disabilities, so they have troubles with mobility. So the main modification we make to the base car is to provide a push button mounted to the steering wheel so the child doesn't need to use their legs to turn the vehicle on and off. They can just push a button, and this is currently set to off, but they would push the button and then be able to steer the vehicle from there. The other part of the design is to work with a physical therapist on providing an appropriate support solution for the child. You want to provide enough support for the child that they're comfortable in the vehicle, but you also want to leave them challenged so that they can continue to improve their physical development. All vehicles will include some type of 5-point harness system to keep the child supported in there, and that's important because a child with lower leg disabilities may have trouble keeping themselves in the seat and can tend to slide down. And by having a 5-point support system, they're able to sit there comfortably. And then from there, they can get more or less elaborate depending on the child's exact needs. A lot of them like to have this support cage, not only for functionality, but just because they happen to like the way it looks. And that's sort of the base vehicle build.